All right, well, the boat weekend is here.
Yes.
Lots of people coming into Sarasota for the Sarasota Grand Prix.
They are here, and
Yeah.
it was packed tonight over at the Van Wezel parking lot for the dry pits. And weather is going to be a little dicey on Saturday, especially. I think Sunday a little bit better, but and nonetheless, there's still going to be some storms on Sunday. They'll be scattered about, so it'll be hit or miss. Right now, we are looking at scattered storms for boaters tomorrow. Seas will be running 1 to 2 feet. And a light chop on the bays and inland waters. I just wanted to show you that real quick for a lot of boating going on out there. Remember, if you hear thunder out there, you want to get as low as you can if you're out in the boat and get to shore as quickly as possible. Again, that's the best advice I can give you. The thunder roars, go indoors. Well, tower cam showing a beautiful sunset tonight. There were a few clouds and a few showers around earlier. Those kind of dissipated, and now they're coming back again. And that is a direct result of this low pressure area that's in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's going to be kind of moving away on Sunday, so that's the reason why the chances are a little lower. Pictures sent in, this one from JVC. Jason Van Cleve, appreciate that one. And SpaceX cloud. Lauren wanted to know what this was this morning. A bright cloud in the eastern sky. That was from the SpaceX launch this morning, early on, around just after 5. And then this is from Finn's down there by Sharky's. And Don Pedro, all the way down in Rotunda. And they said the sunset was beautiful, but the red tide was awful. That's near Boca Grande, Placida, Rotunda. That's where it's a little heavier down there in Charlotte County. I mentioned those storms starting to pop back up once again. The low pressure is in this general area. It's going to slowly move off to the west, but you can see some storms still at this hour and some pretty heavy lightning as well. And then just offshore of Siesta Key, we have a lone shower developing. This is going to be moving off to the east, northeast. Not all that fast, and it's not all that intense, but don't be surprised to hear a little rumble of thunder during the early morning hours. And then when wake-up time comes tomorrow, just after sunrise, there'll still be some clouds around and a few showers. I wanted to show you, this is a fast motion of the model, just to give you an idea what's happening. You see that low kind of spinning in that direction. I'm going to slow it down for you now and show you. This is at 2 a.m., so some storms around. And then as we move at 5:30, still not much, but then we take you to 10:30, scattered showers and storms kind of rolling and wrapping in around this area of low pressure. By 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, most of it now moving inland, and we get a little bit of a lull there, but they'll be back on Sunday, Sunday morning specifically, some more showers around. But notice by Sunday afternoon, most of the action inland, and that's when the biggest race is taking place off of Lido. And they'll still race as long as there's not any lightning around. Again, that's the case for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures right now, pretty warm, 79 degrees at Sarasota. The Gulf water temperature at 86. That's warm. 76 in Arcadia, 78 in Northport. Currently, we have some clouds around at 79 degrees, and the dew point temperature pretty high, 76, humidity at 90%. The high today was a couple degrees below average because of the cloud cover we had throughout most of the day. 80 was the morning low. That was 5 degrees above the average, and just 1/100th of an inch of rainfall at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport. We're over 3 inches below average for the month, because most of the rain this month has been falling east of I-75. Elsewhere across the country, all is fairly quiet, although some big storms starting to break out over the Central Plains states, where there are some severe thunderstorm watches in effect, and the high fire danger continues out west. For boaters, I mentioned earlier, seas running 1 to 2 feet with a light chop, and the bays and inland waters will stay that way on Sunday too. The extended forecast, a good chance for scattered showers, especially mid-morning into early afternoon, and then things start to quiet down on Saturday. Rain chance drops a little bit on Sunday. There'll still be a few morning showers around. And then we go to the typical shower and thunderstorm chance running in through July 4th. So we'll have to dodge those at 9 o'clock. And then Friday, still next Friday, a 40% chance for scattered storms. Jacqueline?